Poor Morris. Tux walked over too, and Morris gave Tux a very gentle little headbutt, and Tux hissed at him. Tux, it's so unnecessary. Him and Marty, they keep trying to make nice with you because you keep walking over. And you just don't want to make nice. But we love you. You ate a mouthful. Whoops. A mouthful or two. You okay, Morris? Good morning. At least it was a hiss and not a swat and an attack. It was a little back off message. Hey, Mart. Well, it looks like we've got cloud cover again this morning. Although it's pretty early. It's just going on 8. Greg Fischel, another meteorologist that we follow, talked about why they missed the high temperature forecast yesterday, and it had to do with the clouds. The simple answer is we had enough cloud cover to keep us 5 degrees cooler than we were supposed to be, or we were predicted to be. So I'll take it. I hope we stay 5 degrees cooler today too. My hydrangea and my lilies are looking good. Fingers crossed for another week that the deer don't come over here and eat them. Very pretty. Really doesn't behoove me to plant lower to the ground varieties, although there are a few, because the other plants in here tend to overshadow them. This variety that's so nice and tall though does great. I'm down here watering this thing. I pretty much put water on it every day. This root goes down into the ground, but it's subject to needing extra water. It looks so pretty in the fall. Brilliant orange color, and I like it. Dawn's almost got it straight with tiny movements up with the stick that's there. How's my pretty girl? Poor thing, she's the only girl outside. Hi. Hello, sweetheart. Well, the sun is trying to poke through. That will definitely affect the high temperature today. I was hoping it would, I was hoping we would have cloud cover again and the temperature would stay down. Don's going to pick up a Walmart bag. If he finds a bag along the way, it's very helpful. They just try to give you a hint, huh? Oh, that one's torn. Boo-hoo.
Hot dog, defective bag. I can just throw it away.
No fast-moving water in the creek today. It's quiet. Don takes his hat off in the shade to get some air on his head. When he gets out in the sun, he puts it back on. So I'm both happy and sad to report that the cat was over there on the trail this morning. Another nice lady was petting on her. I got a real good close-up look. I'm very sure it's a she. And I was able to pick her up. So she, not only being a leg rubber, she's been held before. She was a little thin, not super thin. Still looked pretty healthy. Still don't know if she belongs to somebody nearby or not. My guess is not. I tried to talk the other nice lady into taking her home. Someone that doesn't already have as many cats as we do. So the town employee that drives the truck, he's out here with a broom and a blower. And he's getting all of the gunk away from the curb, so when he comes around with the machine will pick it up. Hopefully. I can tell that's the idea anyway. Well, it picked up more of the pile of mulch and debris than I thought it would. It did a good job. I'm impressed. You can see the vacuum really gliding right along the ground. He's not brushing it right now, he's just picking it up because You know, he doesn't want to spread it. He just wants to ride over where he swept it to. Looks a lot better. We seen him blowing with a gas-powered blower though, and it was super loud and not blowing well. I'm like, God, please get some ego blowers. Just please get some ego blowers.
2 or 3.
Yeah. Oh, you were, I was like, yeah, 2 or 3 blowers. Yeah, Dawn's asking me about laps. We need to do 1 more. This is number 3. I was feeling pokey this morning until I saw the cat, and then I got kind of invigorated. That cat's so sweet. Somebody's got to take it home. I think she's doing the best cell job she possibly can. Nicest temperament cat on the trail I've ever seen. Well, maybe that orange cat in the other neighborhood, but he has a home.
There she is. Yeah. She's had so much affection this morning she can't even take anymore.
Purring big time. I think the stroller.
Yeah.
Doesn't know what to make of the stroller.
That's fine. Yeah, she's giving the cat lots of kitty affection.
My goodness, the loud purring.
Yeah.
Hi, kitty, kitty. I'm sorry I don't have a can of food on me. If I'd have known you were going to be here this morning. Oh, it's a sweet girl. Sweet girl. Very sure it's a girl. Don't see any signs of kittens. No shaved belly, no milk. Possible she's spayed, but no ear tip.
Give her time.
Well, the street cleaner guy, he did South Park and now he's over here.
Yeah.
You running home since I ran you?
Yeah, I'm gonna run home.
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you back at the house. Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss. I see a swallowtail up there on the mimosa. That's the first butterfly I've seen in a month. That was a swallowtail. A big butterfly. Yeah, we ran from the first scoreboard around the track, out the track, down the hill, past the splash pad, around the corner, and stopped at the kitty cat. So I was a little something over a lap. I'm headed to pick up my older son. There was Stripe on the driveway. Marty's asleep between the ferns by the back door, and I think Tux is around the corner in the ferns. They're just staying cool as best as they can. I don't really know how hot it is out here now that I sat in the house in the air and had a shower. I don't feel so hot anymore, but I'm sure after I'm out here for a while it'll feel that way. I just sent the 100K video to render. I was tired last night. I had it all ready to go. I sort of started laying everything out the night before and often listening and doing final touches in the morning. I was just really exhausted, and it was after midnight last night, and I can do a better job when I'm awake. So it's about a 30-minute drive up to Garner. Wow, they've got big equipment here again today. And that's a power company truck there at the street. The ground really looked leveled out and stuff. You know, graded and everything. Almost, I couldn't quite tell. Almost looked like there was straw or grass seed or something. I wonder if all they're gonna do is just, they got rid of the you know, houses over there. I mean, it is possible somebody decided it just needed to be cleaned up because they had the money, or it was a safety issue or something over there, but they're not actually going to build up in there. I mean, it seems like with the creek right there, not the right location for a home to be that close to it, but I don't know. I wish I knew somebody in the town that could tell me what's going on. I guess the next thing to look for is a building permit. So while I was listening to the video playback, I was also looked at Facebook a little bit, and this intersection up here is scheduled to be fixed. You know, this is the only intersection left in town where going straight is combined with the left turn lane, not in this direction, but the direction on my right. And after they opened up the Judd Parkway Loop, which is the section to the left that they opened up, it made for a lot more traffic coming across there, and you can't make a left turn, and then nobody can go straight, and it's just basically been a disaster for the people that have to go through that intersection. So apparently it is scheduled to be fixed. There'll be a dedicated right turn lane and a dedicated left turn lane, but probably not happening until sometime next year. And people are fed up. They're really fed up, and I don't know that I'm fed up, but I'm not happy about it. That they opened up the Judd Parkway extension without properly fixing that intersection. Well, first off, it never should have been that way in the first place. And there's a lot of people on Facebook, and I'm gonna say I don't think they're wrong, that, you know, we could just come out here with spray paint in the middle of the night and fix it so that, you know, straight and right share the same lane instead of left and straight. And that would fix it. Just some spray paint, that would fix it really quick. And I'm really not disagreeing. I'm sure it can be fixed the right way, but a temporary thing, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to be thrilled when it's under construction. It'll probably take them 9 months at 2 hours a day. Hopefully not. Here comes the Model Y. I waved at them. And there's not a good way around for us, but there are some things we can do a little bit, but it's liable to cause, it'll be some pain to fix it. That's what I'm trying to say. It will be a little painful to fix it. A brief delay here to get past this construction zone. Maybe they're going to finish up these holes today. Yeah, they're putting in curb. I don't know that they'll finish it today, but one can hope that it's close. Well, there's the Fuquay sheets. I swear every day 5 different people post to Facebook, what's going on with the sheets? Because they never search to see if anyone else has already asked. And some nice people say it's being remodeled. The other intersection in the news this morning is this one up here. And I agree with the person that left the comment. This intersection flows better than any other intersection in the entire town. Yet, it's going to be fixed in a few months to add a turn lane over here to my right. Basically, that goes nowhere right now. It goes to a little soccer field and an area where there's some dumping. But there's this big, huge gold leaf development center coming. You can sort of see the sign there. And I guess the developer did a good job of getting them to run some extra turn lanes into that shopping center. And anyway, they're scheduled to start doing that here this fall. Could make it harder to get in and out of town with, you know, Johnny on the way to school while they're working on it. There are some options, but none that I would prefer to have to use. They'd all be longer, either coming through construction or going around construction. Because they are adding a new lane out here on 401 to turn onto that side road, so I don't know. Lane closures here at the turnpike today. So the credit card machine is down here at the Starbucks. Thank goodness I have cash, and they're celebrating Pride Month with flags. So we were home and visited all the kitties, and Dawn unfortunately is stuck on a conference call. We're headed back out to Guardian Angel now. It's plenty hot. Alright, they've come and painted the other half of the parking lot. I'm pleased to say that my parking space looks the same, except for cleaner. Ooh, somebody's in trouble. They came to Guardian Angel without me. Just kidding. It is Michelle's van though. You're cheating on me?
Yes, I am. I didn't even I had lunch with my niece today.
Okay, I'm just teasing you.
Fine. What did you buy me so far?
Nothing.
I already asked about Legos. They didn't have any.
Okay. She got her little corner set up at Fuquay now with the special tags and stuff. I seen Jeff putting out the shelving the other day. Now I get it. We made out really great in the by the pound store. We got like 12 items for $9, mostly button-down shirts that Sam likes. I got a couple things. Mr. Don got a thing. But that was really good, and we didn't end up buying anything at the big store today. You knew this was coming, right? All right, we're over here at Guardian Angel Apex, taking a quick look for Model Ys and 3s here at Hertz, and I'm not seeing any right offhand. Okay, there is one Y. I do not believe that was here earlier in the week. If it was, I sure didn't see it. And I did drive over here up and down the rows, so I'm pretty sure. It's a lot of Elantras. Well, I just dropped Sam off. I'm headed back home now. I texted Dawn I'm gonna get there about 5:45. Wouldn't surprise me if I lose some more time though, and it's closer to 6 because of rush hour traffic. We had a real good time. We were able to find a suit in Apex for him. It wasn't matching pants and a jacket, but it was close enough. Close enough.